Hello everyone, today we are going to make Soapnut Bioenzyme liquid wash, which is so amazing to use and so eco-friendly. See here, I have taken 1.5 liter of water. To it I am adding 15 to 20 soap nuts. See, and you have to soak it overnight or for 4 to 5 hours. After 4 to 5 hours, put it on a flame and add 1 glass of water and bring it to boil. Reduce it to half. Now I'll tell you about the soap nuts and why I'm recommending it. See, I have been using these soap nuts from past 3 years and I have reduced the usage of detergents. I don't buy them every month. I don't need it. Once or twice in a year I buy a liquid wash sometimes, though I make bioenzymes, so they help me a lot to keep my laundries and laundry and my utensils clean. See, it is first I boiled it and now it has reduced to half. See, it will now cool down and then we will take out its pulp and de-seed it. So I was telling you about the soap nuts. So these soap nuts not only helps in reducing the water pollution as well and keeps the environment clean, and the best thing is whatever is there, you feel good when you make something, for yourself, and you feel to be a part of the environment and how you can help the environment. So here I am de-seeding the soap nuts and see the froth. See, people has this kind of mindset that only soaps and these detergents give the leather and they clean it. No, it is just a mind block. Once when you will start using them, and especially I'll recommend the bioenzyme, especially the citrus bioenzyme. If you will add to it, it will give you wonderful result. You don't need any soaps or any detergent. See the froth, how lovely it is. See. So right now, if you don't have a bioenzyme with you, what you can do is you can add 2 to 3 liquid detergent, 2 to 3 caps of liquid detergent to 1 liter of this soap nut liquid wash. See, I have sieved it and bioenzymes I'll put. See, this kind of mixture I got it, the liquid wash with so much of froth. See, from this 1 liter or 1.5 liter, I'll make 2 liter of these soap nuts, which is enough for my laundry wash and utensil wash and floor cleaner. And not only that, for even cleaning my this kitchen and all the things. See, here I'm adding citrus bioenzyme. About that I'll tell you in the next video how to make citrus bioenzyme or any enzyme. See, I don't use any this. I'll not say I'll not use any. I add my this bioenzyme and soap nut liquid mixture to this 2 or 3 drops of Vim liquid or anything, and this does a wonderful job. And there is so much of satisfaction that I don't add to pollution sort of. So happy making.